The 2024 Honda Ridgeline is an incredible pickup truck that offers the comfort and adaptability you would expect along with powerful capability. As it continues the tradition of its forebears, the 2024 Ridgeline is poised to redefine what a contemporary pickup truck ought to be. The deaf are drawn to the bold and unique design of the new Ridgeline. Its sturdy construction and modern style also make it stand out from the competition. It has a striking presence on the road thanks to the revised styling cues and more aggressive front grille. The 2024 Ridgeline leaves an impression whether you're cruising the city streets or taking on challenging terrain. Watch this video through to the very end if you want to learn everything there is to know about the 2024 Honda Ridgeline pickup truck. The new Honda Ridgeline pickup truck's release date, price, design, features, range, speed, colors, and safety were all covered in this video. Hey there, lovely viewers. If you're enjoying the content and want to be a part of our growing community, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and we'd love to have you join us on this incredible journey. For the record, let us inform you that the 2024 Honda Ridgeline will push the envelope with its stylish redesign, making it a symbol of creativity and adaptability in the pickup truck market. The most recent Ridgeline model upholds Honda's reputation for dependability and performance by fusing contemporary design with robust utility, raising the bar for pickup trucks. In the best way possible, the 2024 Ridgeline's exterior design is robust and sleek. Bright LED headlights and a sleek front grille accentuate its sculpted, bold look. It gives you self-assurance both on and off the road. The Ridgeline's aerodynamic profile adds to its remarkable fuel efficiency in addition to improving its aesthetic appeal. Thus, that assurance remains during the journey. The cabin's interior, which combines premium materials and cutting-edge technology, is open and cozy. Every ride is smooth and enjoyable thanks to the user. Friendly infotainment system, cutting-edge safety features, and clever storage options. The 2024 Ridgeline will also have an impressive V6 engine, all-wheel drive, and a reinforced unibody, which will transform it into much more than just a pickup and turn it into a flexible workhorse that can tackle any adventure with ease. 2024 Honda Ridgeline Millage. The new Ridgeline is a sports pickup truck with a fuel capacity of 19.5 gallons, which is easily sufficient for over 400 miles on a single charge. It is crucial to remember that the new Honda Ridgeline's range could change based on a number of variables, including traffic, weather, and driving circumstances. But in terms of range and speed, the new Honda Ridgeline is among the best pickup trucks. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 130 miles per hour with ease. Release date of Honda Ridgeline in 2024. We would like to inform you that the next Honda Ridgeline pickup truck from Honda Motors will be available as a 2024 model year, either in late 2023 or early 2024. Additionally, reservations for the 2024 model year may open by year's end. Honda Ridgeline priced for 2024. The next Honda Ridgeline from Honda Motors will be available in 4 trim levels: Sport, RTL, RTLA, and Black Edition. It will go on sale in 2024, and the starting prices for each of those trim levels will range from $40,000 to $52,000. Features of the Honda Ridgeline 2024. The 2024 Ridgeline will be crammed with cutting-edge features, which has cutting-edge safety features and an infotainment system that is easy to use. A modern and capable pickup truck, the Ridgeline is a top option for those looking for the ideal blend of style and utility thanks to its innovative design, LED headlights, and comfortable seating. 2024 Honda Ridgeline safety features. The Honda Ridgeline is a well-liked pickup truck that is renowned for its luxurious interior and cutting-edge features. Honda has added many features and safety enhancements to the Ridgeline in its most recent model. Additionally, driver assistance technology is a feature of the new Honda Ridgeline, which include automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and lane departure warning to help the driver and passenger stay safe while traveling. And these features assist the driver and the passenger in averting an accident before it occurs. The Advanced Safety Feature, ACE, body structure is a feature of the new Honda Ridgeline, which lessens the possibility that the driver and passenger will sustain injuries following an accident